What an absolute shock of a day. The entire cryptocurrency market is falling and falling heavy right now. Shiba Inu coin almost 60% losses amid a price crash going on right now. Bitcoin is down. Shiba Inu coin is down. The entire market is down right now, and down hard, guys. So we're going to be going over it in this video. We're going to be talking about what's happening with cryptocurrency. We're going to be talking about what's happening with Shiba Inu coin because it is red across the board right now. Trying to bounce back? Maybe. But the support line has been broken. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, Shiba Inu coin falling hard through this level of support right here. 1,500 points per coin, unable to hold up, and this is exactly what happens on a technical break. Boom! Drops back down. Now, we are sitting down here in this area of between 1,000 to 1,300 points per coin, and I do hope that we find some support in this area right here, about 1,300 points per coin, wicking down to that 1,000 point per coin area. So trying to find a bottom, and if the bottom is found, it could be at about 1,275, 1,300 points per coin right here. And that's what we got to look out for as the next level of support. And we're going to talk a little bit more about that in a second because we did come down to test it this morning. But we got to go over what this article says. And we got to figure out what the next move or what the next step is for Shiba Inu coin. Because, like I said, we can come down to test those levels. We can come down a little bit further. But that does not guarantee that we move down. So if you're sitting there thinking, well, if I sell now and then I can buy back in at a lower price, it is true. If you truly do believe if Shiba Inu coin is going to fall further and you're not worried about tax implications or anything like that, you should and could sell and then buy back in at a lower price. But nobody knows what tomorrow brings. So let's go over what's happening right now. It says, according to on-chain data, 60% of Shiba Inu coin holders are currently losing money, which presents a harsh reality. Many investors were caught off guard by the meme coin's recent price decline, especially those who purchased during recent rallies in anticipation of another leg up. A sizable section of the community has suffered large, unrealized losses as a result of SHIB's price performance, which has been anything but bullish. Guys, it was extremely bullish leading up through December, and then of course after Jerome Powell said that we may not increase or may not decrease interest rates just 2 times in 2025, the market really started to pull back pretty heavy. It says, SHIB's incapacity to maintain upward momentum is the main cause of its... well, no kidding, dude. If its inability to maintain upward momentum, that would cause downward momentum. Sure, I like that there. At local peaks, many traders jumped in, propelled by market speculation and hype. A spike in buying activity occurred during recent accumulation phases, but SHIB reversed downward instead of breaking out, trapping these buyers into losing positions. In addition, SHIB's difficulties have been exacerbated by general market circumstances. Being a highly speculative asset, SHIB has been hit even harder than some of the other cryptocurrencies by recent decline in the altcoin market, which also has affected Bitcoin. Its difficulties have been exacerbated by a general drop in interest in meme coins and SHIB's lack of sustainable utility. Now, I don't think that Shiba Inu coin's lack of utility is really driving declines right now. We're going to get back into this article in a second, but this is a technical breakdown as Shiba Inu coin falls through 1,500 point per coin level of support. But guys, it's not just Shiba Inu coin. As a matter of fact, Shiba Inu coin is... How much is Shiba Inu coin down over the last 24 hours? SHIB's at about a 0.22% loss over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's at a 5% loss over the last 24 hours. Solana trying to hold up at break even over the last 24 hours at $138. Dogecoin down 3. Guys, Bitcoin is leading the decline right now. Think about that. Bitcoin leading the decline with a 5.55% loss. Shiba Inu coin only down 0.07% at the moment. And I know nobody wants to say only. It's 1375 points per coin. It is very low, and it feels very, very, I guess, negative, right? Now, that is going to cause the fear and greed index to fall further into fear. Level to 40 yesterday. We are back down to a level of 40 today. That's very interesting. Investors remaining cautious and remaining, I guess, neutral in their sentiment right here. Let's see where we are on CoinMarketCap. Yeah, I see CoinMarketCap moving a little faster today. CoinMarketCap nearly showing extreme fear, guys. This is pretty interesting. CoinMarketCap showing near extreme fear at a level of 29 right now. And if we go out to their all-time graph, dating us back to the middle of 2023, July 2023 is when they started following this here. And you can see Fear and Greed Index was a level of 35 here. Very, very low before bouncing up. Fell down to a bottom of 26 at the end of 2024 before rallying nicely. Guys, this level of 29 is essentially the bottom in terms of overall fear, which tells me that the retail investors who have jumped in over the last couple of months are extremely emotional. Guys, if you can't handle the ups and downs, if you can't handle the volatility of the cryptocurrency market, you probably shouldn't be buying cryptocurrency. But Bitcoin is down from 100,000 to 80, where's it at? 86, 87,000. That's not a crazy decline in the price of Bitcoin. Yet here we are, more fearful than ever before. So we do have a lot of emotional retail investors jumping into the cryptocurrency space, which is driving this fear right now, which of course is driving the price of Shiba Inu coin lower, which of course is driving cryptocurrency into the hands of whales and institutions who are willing to load up. If we can ignore that fear, if we don't act like the typical retail investor, if we don't allow the fear to cause us to sell, we can absolutely accumulate on these dips, and we can go out there and prepare for the bull market rally in the golden age of crypto, which they say is upon us. And that is exactly what I am doing. Now, guys, one of the places that I am accumulating, you should know this by now, is the KSEC centralized exchange. Right now, these guys have beautiful futures fees on Shiba Inu coin, 0% maker, 0% taker. A lot more people trade Bitcoin and XRP out on the KSEC exchange, so they do have a 0.01% fee on Bitcoin and XRP trades. Make sure to keep that in mind when you are trading any of these assets. But nonetheless, 0% on Shiba Inu coin. And of course, these guys got the best selection of meme coins that I have ever seen in the United States. Make sure to check out all of the meme coins they have available. And if you want a brand new meme coin that hasn't even launched yet, Bitcoin Bull. This is the latest one that I have bought, and I'm searching for opportunity on this dip right here. Let's put it that way. But before the major decline began, I bought into Bitcoin Bull. I don't know. It's been a couple weeks now, or maybe a week and a half or something. And in 18 days, in 44 minutes, the price is going to rise. See, the good news is I bought in at like 0.23 cents. It is up from where I bought in at, and it is continuing to move up until this token launches. So these are actually great ways to withstand all of the market volatility, the ups and the downs that are currently taking place. And I bought into Bitcoin Bull because I truly do believe that Bitcoin is going to lead the market higher in this bull market rally, and you get rewarded in Bitcoin. So I will have Bitcoin added to my wallet as Bitcoin hits higher and higher prices and reaches those milestones. I want to know what you guys are buying down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.